Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change password on your LinkedIn app. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our LinkedIn app. Once you open your LinkedIn app, here you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you'll have to tap on the profile icon that is located on the top left-hand side corner. Once you tap on the profile icon, here you'll get various options. On the top, you can see a view profile option. Tap on it. Once you tap on view profile option, you'll be able to see a gear icon on the top right hand side corner. Tap on it. Here you can see various options such as account preference, sign in and security, visibility, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on the second option, that is sign in and security. And here, as you can see, on the third option, you can see a change password. You'll have to tap on the change password option. Then here you'll be directed on this next page where you'll have to type in your current password, your new password, and here you'll have to retype your new password. Once you're done filling out the information, tap on save password. And just like that, here as you can see, your password has been changed. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to change password on LinkedIn app. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.